Hi friends, what a mess. It rained heavily yesterday night. Everything collapsed. Thank God I didn't have any shapes on the balcony because it was keep stating that it will rain today and tomorrow, so I didn't take any risk. So I just decided not to dry up any shapes, make any videos for a week. I was posting all my old videos. You must have noticed that the videos were less. Look, all my textures are wet. I covered a few, so they got saved, but the rest is all full of water. And the rain is going to continue. For today, tomorrow, 2-3 days, the rain is going to continue, so I won't be able to post any videos because unless the rain stops, I can't make textures, dry textures, and then it will take a week to dry because it's winter. 1 week it will take to dry, then only I can upload them. See, everything just fell off. Still cloudy, stating that it will rain today also from the afternoon. For 2-3 days it's going to rain heavily. It was a very heavy rain. Big mess of my balcony. So friends, you can see my situation. I won't be able to post videos for a week. Inshallah, I'll be posting after that. Thank you. Bye.